In today's video, I am going to teach you how to merge layers in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know exactly how to combine objects from multiple layers into one clean, consistent layer using a single command. This is especially handy when you receive drawings with too many redundant layers, or when you want to standardize properties like color, linotype, or plot style across different elements. Start by bringing your cursor to the command line and typing LayMRG. Then press Enter. LayMRG stands for Layer Merge, and it's designed specifically to move all objects from one or more layers into another layer you choose. Then remove the original layers from the drawing. Think of it as consolidating without having to chase down individual objects. Next, AutoCAD asks you to select the layer or layers you want to merge. The fastest way is to click any object that sits on a layer you want to remove. If there are multiple layers to combine, keep selecting objects from each of those layers. If you prefer to choose from a list, instead of clicking in the drawing, type N for name. This opens up a list of layers so you can precisely pick the ones to merge, which is useful if some layers are hard to find on screen. When you've finished choosing, press Enter to confirm your selection. Now you'll pick the destination or target layer, the one you are keeping. Simply select any object that's already on the layer you want to retain. This step tells AutoCAD which layer will inherit all the objects you are moving. Remember, the merged objects will adopt the target layer's properties, so choose a layer that has the appearance and settings you want to standardize across your drawing. AutoCAD will then prompt you to confirm the merge. Click Yes to proceed. This confirmation is there because merging is a deliberate action. Once complete, the original layers you selected will be removed from the Layer Manager, and all their objects will live on the target layer. If you are working on a critical file, it's a good habit to be certain about your layer selections before agreeing to proceed. All selected objects are now consolidated on your chosen layer. With consistent properties, and your layer list is cleaner and easier to manage. Layer merging like this helps reduce complexity. Avoid plotting surprises, and keep your standards tight throughout a project. If you follow these steps, you'll have a tidy, professional layer structure in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.